Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester. Today we're talking about SPX600. In this video, we're going to be breaking this down from a technical analysis standpoint, looking at where this thing could be going and also how we can make money trading this asset in today's market, in today's pump, okay? And obviously swing trades as well over the next weeks, months or so. And then we're going to end the video with a nice price prediction for this asset. So currently trading at $1.34, $1.34, and a market cap of $1.25 billion here, doing very, very well overall. If we look at just sort of the macro all chart here over on CMC, you can see it's had its massive swing, obviously naturally towards the start of the year, end of December here. We did see obviously Bitcoin and everything really pump around that sort of area. And from there, we obviously had our micro bear market, so to speak, for the first few months of the year. And now we have caught up drastically here in the space for SPX 6900. This asset is actually doing very, very well, probably the best over the last sort of 6-7 months or so. You can see the last month here, it's actually up 82% here. Unbelievable stuff with such a nice solid uptrend. Not really seen that in any other chart here in the space, especially in the meme space as well. Now you can also see that it has been ranging over the last sort of 7 days. So right now is potentially the consolidation period that we're looking for that next leg up. Okay, so let's get into the chart and let's see what we're actually looking out for there and how we can be trading this asset. So before we get into the chart, guys, obviously very, very nice chart. Let's talk to you quickly about Solana. Now, Solana has raised $55 million in their pre-sale. They are going live in 3 days' time. Only 3 days' time they are going live. They have an amazing utility. They're a Solana-based layer 2 protocol. Okay, now this is the first of their kind. Think of Base Chain, but for Ethereum, this is Solana for Solana. We know how well Base has done, the billions of dollars of volume that it's getting every single week. And Solana Layer 2 will be the same. Okay, think of the meme coins in the space here on Solana, on Solana. The Layer 2 meme coin space is going to be huge as well. So it's listing on major exchanges, and this is their new launch schedule update here. You can see the 23rd of June is when it all kicks off, and then after that, you just got bullish event after bullish event here over the course of the next couple of months or the next month there. So basically, when this thing launches, it's got bullish event after bullish event after that, basically driving the price up with every single thing that happens with this project, okay? And it's raised, as I said, $55 million, a very, very, very interesting opportunity for this project here that is launching in 3 days. Go check it out, guys. Utilities there, communities there, the raises there, the audits are there. Everything is looking very, very bullish in my book, but you can be the judge of that. Go check it out. The links in the description. Do your own research. Now back to the SPX chart here. This is meant to be the index of crypto, right? So yeah, let's see how this thing is doing here over the last sort of month or so. It's been doing very, very well, just continuously trending up and seeing highs of 173, not quite breaking all-time highs of 180 just yet, but out of all the meme coins, out of all the coins in the space, it's probably one of the only coins right now that's actually giving it some oomph to try and break that high, okay? Now, what are the things that we look for here when that is happening? It's these phases, these consolidation phases that this asset is currently in. So you can see the range that I have drawn in here using this box here, and that basically is the range that this thing is currently playing in before potentially a breakout scenario. When we get to this area again, guys, there will be a breakout to the upside, which will be absolutely explosive here, sending us straight past all-time highs and giving a lot of profit here on the table for us to sort of take, essentially. That will be roughly around a 30% move to the upside here, but for the short term here, we could be looking at some downside, only due to the fact it's pretty overextended and we have just lost basically pretty much all major moving averages here. So in terms of a short position, guys, I would be favoring a move breaking this low. Now that low is currently tickling around 124. If we can actually break this low and and basically trade around here for a little bit, I'd expect just a nice little position down here, and that would be roughly around a 5 to 6% trade there. Super profitable, super easy to achieve there, and definitely something that that you guys should go check out. Obviously, go do your own research there. And if you just take a look at stochastic on the last hour, we're right at this top side, guys. Every time that we hit this top side, like so, you can see here, we actually have a lot of downside that does follow that. Okay, you can see here, come right up to this top side on the stochastic, massive downside to follow that. Okay, so definitely looking for potentially a move to the downside here for this asset coming in to the next few hours or so. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section. I'm super intrigued to know your opinion, and don't forget to go check out Solaxy, guys. The link is in the description. Massive opportunity there, launching in less than 3 days time. Amazing stuff. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.